Yeah. Oh, get it again. Smash it again.
Oh, the neighbor's are going to be like, what are you doing? It's hard
Again.
like a rock. One more. I don't want to make a huge mess. Oh, it's dripping all over your shirt.
Perfect.
Can I do those 2 halves?
Yep.
See, Mama's the boss.
No, she's not.
Yeah, she is.
Whoa.
Wait.
I'm turning on the hose.
Turn this way and smash it. Oh, the best.
Die, you stupid melon! You! Does that have sound? Good. That was embarrassing.
Okay, that's good.
Stop, stop, stop.